To check for only unique numbers, you will need to use a set on your sorted numbers array. But before we do that, perhaps we will have to make an example. So perhaps we have here an example of a set. Since set is an object, let's name it my set. Instantiated it with the keyword new from the object called set. Now our set consists of uh, can consist rather of numbers, and it can also consist of letters. So in our case would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Set object can consist of numbers, but whoa, what the? But it can also consist with letters A, B, C, and as such. And we would have to use this set on our sorted numbers array. So it is a number in an array. So you have to convert that result into an array using the spread operator. So what is a spread operator? Again, so as a review, we have here an example. So perhaps you have here a number array, numbers 1 with an array of 1, 2, 3, numbers 2 with an array of 4, 5, 6. And we use the spread operator with separate console log for each array. So we used the spread operator, which is this one, the three dots, and it will actually output the 1, 2, 3 as separated. It will output like, I mean, instead of outputting um 1, 2, 3, rather than that, it outputs the 1, 2, 3 element a in a separate form. That will it is also the same with the numbers 2 array. So rather than it outputs 4, 5, 6 as a whole, it actually outputs 4, 5, 6 separate. So it will divide the array and then create a new one in but with the separate elements. So we are to do that in the instructions. So first, we have to create a set. And we have to first we whoa, what the? But first you would have to assign it to the variable unique numbers array, and then the creation of the set. But again, we are to use a spread operator. So let's get rid of this. And since I think spread operators are used in an array, we use we create a bracket because it is an array, it is used for arrays. So we then use the spread operator and then the creation of our set with the new set, and then inside of this one would either be numbers or strings. But in our case, it has been instructed to us to use the set on the sorted numbers array. So what this does is that the the array sorted numbers array inside the set will actually be divided because of the spread operator. So again, the set, which consists of an array, will be divided into an array separately because we use the spread operator. So that would be it. Nice.